Is an online business really the right thing for you? Be real honest with yourself. Is an online business really right for you? Uh, it's not right for you if you expect overnight success. It's not right for you. This is a real business. It's not a lottery ticket. It takes action and it takes consistency. You expect money without action. No system will generate income without some kind of effort from you. There is no free money. You refuse to invest in yourself. Every successful business person invests in themselves. If they didn't, why would they even want to get into business? You invest in yourself to better yourself. And if you can't dedicate a few hours weekly, then even an automated system isn't going to work for you because it takes still a few hours a week to work on your business. Grant you, it's a 24/7 business and it takes a fairly good load off of you, but you still have to invest some time. Not a lot, and you can invest your time as you see fit in your spare time. So this business isn't for you if you're going to keep on making excuses instead of taking action. If you're always saying, I'll do it later, or you're blaming circumstances that you might be under at that point, at that moment, you'll stay right where you're at. So make sure this business is right for you. But if you're still with me here, then we've got a proven strategy with a step by step training. You're not left guessing. You'll get the exact blueprint and coaching to start your business and start earning up to $900 per day. And with the free ads and social media that we teach you how to do, you get an automated system that works 24/7. This program is designed for busy people. You don't need to chase customers or spend all day online. The system does the heavy lifting for you. So if you're ready to create a real online business, then we can keep going here. If I've lost you already, that's fine. Then that means it wasn't for you. But the ones that stick around are the ones that will generate a good business online. It's one of the hottest things going right now. Everybody is getting online wanting to make money. Why? Because it's an independent business. But so many of them that are going to get online are going to fail. And they're going to fail because they're going to give up. And they're going to give up because they're frustrated. You know, a baby doesn't walk on the day he's born. He gets up, he falls, he gets back up again. And that's what you have to do in business. You're going to have good days and bad days. So, the best program, if you are going to get into this, is the Legacy Builder. It's our top of the line. It generates four streams of income. Uh, it's an automated system. There's no chasing leads or wasting time online or trying to make phone calls or begging friends to buy your product. It's a step by step training to allow you to get $900 a day. As I said, you follow a proven blueprint. This has been proven. This has been working over and over and over again. The system works. We don't change it. If it ain't broke, we don't fix it. There's 40,000 members in this community that are there to help you. We have weekly training. We have live training. This is where you get your answers, your questions answered. So If you're ready, if you really want to check into this further, which you should, you'll find out if it's not right for you. And believe me, we don't want people that aren't right. Uh, we want you to succeed. Failure is not in our vocabulary. So go to my website, www.learnandearn.biz. It's an easy one to remember, learnandearn.biz. There you'll run into a link where you can get another viewpoint on it, and that will answer also a lot of your questions. Or if you don't want to go to the website, just put 2025 in the comment box and I'll send you a link. Okay? Hey, you guys take care. I hope you make the right decision, be it going with the program or not. I don't want anybody making a decision and having it to be the wrong decision uh, because that's not fun. That's not the way life is. You make a decision, you work the program, you follow the blueprint, you'll be successful. There's a learning curve. You're not gonna, as I said, make $1 million overnight. It took me 2.5 months before I started touring business because I did a lot of reading, a lot of studying, and learned what I was supposed to do before I jumped in. So I'll talk to you a little bit later, and you take care.